Hello everyone, today we are going to be shooting a video because, I don't know, I kind of just wanted to.
Yeah.
So as you can see, I have my little friend over and he is apparently tackling my dad right now. So, oh wait, what's going on? Oh no, okay. Let's turn away from that scene.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see myself. Ah! And this is Sergio. Yeah. I just fell. What is he gonna do? What are you doing? Hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Come on. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, say hi. Oh God. There may be a little baby cuss words in this. He says stuff that, but you probably won't hear it. Just okay.
Be careful.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
Hey, be careful.
Makes me nervous.
And these are my birdies, Jack and Rose. And I haven't made a video about them yet, so
Things on wheels.
thought I'd just show them to you guys right now. Alright. So we are Hey Sergio Jr. Sergio the Third. What are you doing? Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Breakfast? What? And we're watching Wall-E, I think, right now. I just turned it on. I'm gonna make a... Wait, what's going on? Can you say hi? Can you say... No, he's not gonna say hi. I guess, okay. So... What are you doing? What are you doing? No, Sergio, no. Alright, so this is pretty much my room. Our fishy, this guy is about around 4 or 5 or 6 years old. He is very old. I have a bunch of Legos. I got this awesome blaster right here. You can.
Whoa.
It has a nice scope.
Look at that gun.
He's not doing anything. He's just playing with my little Bakugan. But a Bakugan. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. So let's see what I have in here. Whoa. Okay. I guess I only have this.
Where's your gun, buddy?
By the way, this gun is from Star Trek. It's set on freeze. I think it's broken. I have a little cap gun. And as you can see, I was a zombie hunter for one of the Halloweens.
Me too.
And so, yeah.
Jedi?
And, well, I was in Astoria yesterday. And I had there's a bunch of Bakugan on the floor, I guess. Wait, what are you doing? Whoa, he's flying. Look at him. Whoa, there they are, there they go.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Jack, just stay in one place, please, buddy. Alright, guys, it's time to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Moon out.